One of my greatest fear was failure. I used to think that if I failed, people would judge me, laugh at me, or think I was not good enough. And because of that fear, I avoid trying new things. Sometimes I became nervous whenever there was a big challenge, especially in school, in our office, where I have to prove myself. I always wanted to, um, I always wanted that everything to be perfect, and when things did not go well, I felt disappointed in myself. But as time passed, I realized that failure is a normal part of life. Nobody becomes successful without making mistake first, and at the same time, I started to understand that failure does not mean I am weak or useless. So instead, it teach me lessons that help me improve and become stronger. And every mistake became a or an opportunity for me to learn in something new. And actually, that moment or every moment that I've experienced, especially in every challenges, changed my mindset. And I also learned that failure is not the end of the journey. So there's one experience actually that helped me conquer this fear. And there was also time when I worked hard on something, but the result was not what I expected. At first, I felt embarrassed and sad, and I wanted to give up because I thought I was not capable enough. But, or however, instead of quitting, I decided to try again. I asked for advice, practice more, and believe in myself little by little. And in the end, I improved because of that experience. So for me, um, failure is actually like it is only a step toward success. I'm sorry. If we never fail, we will never grow. Fear can stop us from reaching our dreams, but courage helps us continue moving forward. Now, whenever I fail, I try to stay calm and remind myself that it is okay to make mistakes. What matters the most is that learning from those mistakes and continuing to try again. Conquering my fear of failure made me more confident, brave, and willing to take risks in life.